going on, internet friends? Hope you guys are doing absolutely sensational as per always. This week has been a rather exciting one. The McLaren dealership opened and me and my father were on hand to film the Pagani Roadster that is in there, the Zonda that was in there, the 600 LT, the host of McLarens. It was just a good visit to a dealership. But before I play that video, for those of you who entered the WeLiving Collective competition for the caps, sincerely I apologize for the delay in your caps. I've been having some family emergencies and things that I've had to sort out, but your caps are currently in production. Before the next video goes out, you will have WeLiving caps, which is very exciting because this will be the first time I've ever printed these designs. All of you chose the same designs, which is highly exciting. It means that doing something right. But I actually think I've printed some of the wrong ones. Doesn't matter, we will figure out the rest. I love this car, internet friends. You don't even have to ask me twice. On this car, by the way, there's a lot of exciting things that are happening, and I've been promising for the longest time that I will be getting a tune for this car, but due to family things and the fact that I've had to reinvest more money than I expected into the WeLiving Collective, link in the description below. Maybe your company needs a new uniform. Maybe you want to start a clothing brand. Maybe you just want to order some WeLiving merch. Maybe you just want to check out the website and see what the hell it is that's been chowing my time the way it has been, and my resources and my funding and my money and my time and my energy. Hit the link in the description below, check out our website and get involved. Follow us on the socials of media. Anyway, yeah, I've had to reinvest some money back into the WeLiving Collective, which has meant that a few things have had to go on pause. One of those things is actually the tune for this car. And not to worry though, that is happening soon. I was speaking to the good people at EPC Performance. People will be tuning this car. And we are on track for the end of Feb, middle of March. This car will be pushing 180 kilowatts at the wheels, which for me is very exciting. Very, very exciting. I love this car, but it just needs some life breathed into it. You know what I mean? Once you get used to something, it is what it is. It still sounds amazing, it still moves amazing, but now it'll be that little touch extra great. But until then, thank you for rocking with me. I hope you guys enjoy this McLaren footage as always. I think this is one of the crispiest, cleanest, is that a word? Cleanest is a word. Not one of the best car videos I've done. Definitely, obviously it's the first one of the year, but of recent car videos, this is probably one of the best. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed. But until the next time, enough of me chatting shit. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Follow me on the socials of media. My socials of media have been phenomenal recently. What else is there? Follow me on the socials of media. Thank you for rocking with me. Until next time, remember to love life and all the people in it. We're living. How?
How, Sway?
How?
How, Sway?
How?
How, Sway?
It doesn't make sense.
You ain't got the answers, man. You ain't got the answers.
How do the number of subscribers